Hello, my name is Colin Kelly and I'm a solicitor in general practice, and I wanted to talk today about an issue which can cause the delays in administration of estates but shouldn't do, and that is dealing with income tax issues in connection with the administration of estates. Now, this is an area related to the income tax position of the deceased as distinct from the inheritance tax which of the beneficiaries of an estate, which is dealt with by a separate system. The practice at the moment is that distribution of funds to beneficiaries in the estate is not allowed until such a time as the revenue issue a letter of clearance in respect of income tax matters. So income tax issues can hold up ultimately funds being paid out to a beneficiary. Now, we find that the practice at the moment is that the revenue make a distinction between pre-death income and post-death income, and the revenue commissioners will generally require the pre-death income tax situation of a deceased to be brought up to date, and that Form 11s, being the forms required for income tax returns, will be filed with the revenue for perhaps 1 or 2 years of the deceased person prior to the death. The post-death income that can arise, we find, falls into generally 4 different categories. That would be income from dividends from shares, income from bank accounts, that's interest on bank accounts, and rental income, and also income that might arise on the disposal of an asset. If there is going to be post-death income, then it's very important that the tax numbers applied or obtained in respect of the estate. So separate PPS numbers should be obtained for the estate, and that is done through a form known as TR1 and submitted to the registration section of the Revenue Commissioners. Once you gather the information with respect to post-death income, this is then supplied to the Revenue Commissioners and the relevant taxes paid so that clearance can be obtained. It's important to note in respect to post-death income that there are no allowances allowed or tax-free credits that would apply for an individual prior to their death, and also universal social charge also applies, and PRSI also applies in respect of any post-death income. It's very important to be alive to these issues with respect to administration of estates, and that information is obtained as quickly as possible. So it's important that you speak to the practitioner involved in the administration of estates and ensure that they have this step attended to as quickly as possible, so there should be no delays in the administration of an estate. I hope that you found this information of use, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.